You know, I want to talk to the brothers today. Every young man want to come and foreign. I'm not discourage nobody for come here because I hear me live and it have done a lot for me and my family. So I'm not discourage nobody.
Blessed day viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, so wake up. Yeah, I say I do the video. So here we go now, not the video now guys. Me notice a whole heap man. Me put it this is a public announcement to Jamaican man. See, who say them single and a seek a woman overseas. When you call, you need to stop about disgrace Jamaican woman. We not bring them down in a worse way. We not say Jamaican woman this, Jamaican woman that. That is why I want an international woman. Bear in mind, is a Jamaican woman birth you. Bear in mind, your baby mother is a Jamaican woman. Bear in mind, you can't take your experience you have with your relationship to judge the whole 3.8 million people in Jamaica, whether the population split in a woman in a 2.5 or whatever, etc. I don't know the data. See? So, and it goes with both parties. Females will come on and say, oh, I don't want a Jamaican man. Birds them guys, yeah, birds them. Nature at his best. The ladies them you come, I don't want a Jamaican man out of Jamaica. Good man still there Jamaica. Young man, don't make the glamour life and foreign life chicken. When you call in and say, I want a foreign man. When you get a foreign man now, Zane, what the motive? Is it a green card? Is it you don't want to get a bus? Is it you don't want there and people are send money for you? No good man there Jamaica again. More ask a question. Everybody want a foreign woman. Everybody want a foreign woman. Zane, I show the video the other day. I'm going to show it back. And make sure so you have an understanding. As the Herald would say, in which every man could have got foreign if you have and we not say foreign is a bad place, no. But when you not go say you need a foreign woman. I do a show last night and 4 Jamaican man call. And none of them man they don't want a Jamaican woman. You know much woman I pass a day time in a good job, in a office, in a plaza, cook shop all about. Nice woman them. Well, hustling and try to make ends meet. It could be a case where you have a woman in a Jamaica and you have good woman and then now you did and you say, no, days, let me try to get my visa and say I can go foreign and get a local bus. You better you try to do that because when I got embassy is a 50-50 chance you will get it. But I'm telling you now, the woman them are foreign, them not interested in a Jamaican man. Them afraid of one like puss. Afraid of one. You know what Jamaican man call me and tell me say they don't want a woman in a foreign. Because them program to the system and they don't want them. Alright, so my message is stop. Bring down the Jamaican woman and make them look like them are the worst. Jamaican woman are one of the best women. And the said woman them want from overseas. Yeah. You know which part them come from? Most of them, I watch the program. Jamaica. Alright? So now make children they are foreign, no visa, yeah. A foreign of them. Alright, them still have them Jamaican nationality and such forth. Alright, so guys, if the skin and strip now, from a wash me and there's something on a strip. Anyway, so yeah, that. So I'm gonna listen to the video and then now wanna enjoy the rest of call of them whosoever go call for the program. But start bring down a Jamaican woman and just call and say I look a foreign woman. When me ask a question I say Jamaican woman are this, Jamaican woman are one of the best. Alright? We have good and we have bad in everything and indifferences. Alright guys, big up on yourself. Happy Friday. You know, yes. God is good all the time. Peace.
You know, I want to talk to the brothers today. Every young man want to come and foreign. I'm not discourage nobody for come here because I hear me live and it have done a lot for me and my family. So I'm not discourage nobody. But I just tell you them say, sometimes I soon upon social media and so happy because I foreign and I come down, come married down and then something there. You know, on a life I got better, but I tell you no virgin. This is just a warning. In life when them come down and can live with and spend big money on live big life and carry all kind of name brand clothes come go on. When I reach up at them place, 99% of the time I know that kind of life they are come live. Because even sometimes the clothes them with them car come go on a credit card hold them there. And the bill up here wait for you know. Because if a woman come to Jamaica and married to you, it don't take no time for you to reach a foreign. And the bill up here wait for you. And so when you come up here, you have to work like a slave. Your life in misery. It's a matter sometimes, it's like them at a donkey, them a look for come work for them. You know work in donkey at Jamaica. You see what I say? And some of the time, virgin, when you see come along there, pull off, nobody think of so you go up here. Because you come up here sometime and you see the life with some of them I live. You're sorry you left your yard because some of the time you did live better. You see what I say? It's different. You say if a man come to Jamaica and come married to a woman and say, man can't come and fight. I really think that. If a man come to Jamaica, I not tell you man if you back off of that. Because so much man there foreigner if him left and come choose you at Jamaica. You see what I say? I really think that. But you see when the girl them come down there. I mean, I talk about something I know about, you know. I talk about something I know about. I tell you, no, just be careful. A man on that run and married because some of you will be sorry.